Good morning folks, a wee day straight in the day, start of March, see how we're going to get on. We'll go around in the day, see what Gary's up to. We're going to have a look tonight. Simon, did you get it?
Yeah, I'm just up there, mate.
See the camera, are you nervous today, Gary?
Fitting my pants, but it's going to be good. Looking forward to it.
Fine. Sure, it'll be fine. Okay. I think 3 sessions in now. Fucking feeling legs are feeling it, arms are feeling it. It's been decent, it's been nice and quiet because the racing's on, so it's been pretty decent like. There we go, that was a day at straight in sands.
No broken bones, no broken bikes.
We're going to be serious fuck tomorrow.